Hi, in this video I will show you how to use a website called Sclera Symbols. That's another option for you to find pictograms for your teaching materials. So I will Google Sclera Symbols. And once more, that's the first hit in your search. So if you click on this website, you will be directed to the home page. And then we have this search bar here, Sclera Symbols, search pictograms. For example, if I'm looking for people pictograms, so yeah, I just have a couple of possibilities. If I'm interested in any of these pictograms, I'll just click on it. There are no options for editing the pictogram, so just download it if it's something that you think will be useful for your teaching material. So I hope you may also find this website useful for the design of your materials.